Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look at Bepro network. What's the pricing goes in the Bepro? A lot of people message me that please make a video on Bepro network, and especially they are very confused to is it the best time to buy, sell or hold Bepro network. So in this video I will clear these all questions friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Bepro network friends. If we talk about the price of the Bepro network, so the price of the Bepro network at this time currently as about 0.012137 USD dollar is the current price of the Bepro network, and the Bitcoin price about 0.002 something. So and if we talk about the change occur in the Bepro network, so the change, if we talk about the change, so very bad change occur in Bepro network in the last 1 week. As you can see, if we talk about the last 1 hour price, so the last 1 hour price is also in negative. If we talk about the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price is also in negative. And if we talk about the last 1 week, the last 7 day price, so these are also in negative. So a lot of people, that is why confused that what's is continuously falling, so that's really difficult to make a decision at this time friends. But don't worry, I have a decision for all of you friends. If we talk about the rank, so the rank is about 493 as a market rank of the Bepro network at this time friends. Now friends, let's see the price prediction chart of the Bepro network. After that we decide that what's the next time of the Bepro network friends. And now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. As you can see here, that's last 1 day price prediction chart of the Bepro network. Absolutely a very bad false occur in the Bepro network, negative 18.99% false occur in the Bepro network. So it's really difficult for all of us that what's the next target of the Bepro network at this time friends. So that is why a lot of people confused, but don't worry, I have a decision for all of you friends. If we look the price prediction of the Bepro network the previous last 7 days, so as I show you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour, last 1 day and the last 1 week price prediction is also fully in the falls down. That's clear that the Bepro network falls down. It's a falling period of the Bepro network, but as you know, every cryptocurrencies after a falls there is a jump. That is a phenomena of cryptocurrencies market. If the cryptocurrencies falls down, so this is must for cryptocurrencies to they take a jump again friends. So after a falls there is a jump. That is a phenomena. So it is clear for all of us that the Bepro network falls down continuously as a 1 week. So it's clear for all of you that now it's a jumping time of the Bepro network starts now. Be patient and hope for a good result of the Bepro network. What's your opinion about Bepro network? Please also share your opinion in the comment box. According to my personal experience, my suggestion for all of you is that please hold your Bepro network with the last of this month, because there is a 70% chances to they take a jump in the future and 30% chances to they falls down in the future friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box and kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates about Bepro network. Thank you so much for watching this video.